Alright, we got a nice close-up shot of the stone. You can see some flat spots on it. You can see where the color was exposed right on the top. It is polished, so we're going to try and avoid cutting that flat spot anymore so we can shape the stone around the peaking of the color that's exposed right there. And I'm going to see what color bars are stacked on what so I can guess right where I want to change from one grit to another. But to tell you the truth, it looks like they're so close, we're just going to go with a 600. I mean, it looks so close, and it looks like I might have a blue and a purple bar in there too, right above the green maybe, which would be really good. It'd be really good if right above that. If they're really bright though at the same time, because blue and purple is really bright for the camera, it's really bright for you. But for the naked human eye, it gets lost inside the bronze and the brown. Alrighty, we've inspected the stone. I know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start with a 600 and start going to shaping aggressively because I'm good at this. You should take your time. Some people say I take too much time on my stones, But you got a glimpse in the beginning of this video what these things end up looking like when I'm done with them now. And if you've been following me for a while, you know what they used to look like before. Always take your time in between steps to really make sure that it looks the way you want to. I always end up having to come back for a couple of recuts. I plan it nowadays. At this point where we're looking at this stone, I've got a couple of hours into it, and I end up putting around 7 hours of carving time and you know, just under probably 8 hours of total time between inspecting it and trying to make decisions and everything like that, including, you know, the cutting the stone down and stuff like that. 7 hours of video is just too much to upload at once for me right now, and I wanted to, you know, show the difficulty of the carve at the same time. So I'm going to have at least one more, if not two more parts of this video, and it's going to be another, you know, 10 times speed. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are carving fire agate or buying some fire agate. This stone and other stones are for sale in videos on my YouTube channel right now inside the shorts section. You can always inquire and see if something's already been sold, and if it hasn't, then it's probably available for you to acquire. Also, some of my better stones I just don't put up for sale because I've already had, you know, fire agate communities tell me how crazy I am for some of the prices. But I know rarity, and I know what took me time, and I know art when I see it. So in that case, keep doing your art. I love you for watching. Thank you for making all the way to the video, and I hope you go and watch part 2. And hey, get one of my fire agate.